Hi Mr. Victor, my name is Vishal.
And my name is Ahmad Saifullah bin Muhammad.
Hello sir. So our question is question 7. We are required to write a program about 01 as a problem, where by using dynamic program, where the program can be used to by a lucky draw winner in a supermarket. These winners can take any item. Duplicates are not allowed in the supermarket with a total weight of at most 20 kg. This program must be able to return the maximum benefit to a lucky draw winner. So we are required to test and analyze the efficiency of the program using different total weights. So basically, it's different than fractional website where you either can take the item or you cannot take the item. So we have to actually use a table with different weights and different number of items that you can take, and then from there you use a brute force method to actually calculate the maximum benefit for each weight increasingly, and then try to find the maximum benefit you can get by the combination of each item.
Okay, now we are going to show you a brief run-up of our program. As you can see here, okay, now it asks you for the number of items. So it is how many items you want. So you just say we type 4. Okay, now the maximum number of weight is what the price of the lucky draw winner. So let's say it is 6, and then the weight item. Okay, so from here you can see a weight of items. So there are 4 items now. You're going to specify the weight of each item. So for item 1 is 2, item 2 is 3, item 3 is 4, item 4 is 5. Now we can add it now. Okay, then we enter. Then you say the benefit of each item, which are 3, 4, 5 and 6 for each.
No, the benefit is the value.
Benefit isn't it benefit?
Benefit is when you the value divided by the weight.
Oh, okay, so
that's okay.
Value lah.
The other one is the for fractional.
Okay, then you can see the output here. The item combination which fulfills the maximum weight of 6 is item 3, which is having weight of 4, and 1, which is having weight of 2. And the benefit of it is 5 and 3, which is 8. Okay, now we're going to explain to you how does it get this combination of 3 and 1. From here you can see 8. As you see, then you will go one step up. If the number is same, then you continue up again. When it's not same, you take this point. You mark the position of the 8, and then you move up 7 here. Then you go on your left. If it's same, go left again. Then when it's not same, you go up. Then when you want to go up, is here 4 and up here is 3. So it's different here. So first you mark the location of 4, which is 2.
Say we have 4 different items with weight of 2 and benefit value of 3, and the second item is weight of 3 and value of 4, and weight of 4 value of 5, and weight of 5 and value of 6. So let's say we have 4 different items, and the maximum weight that you can take is 5 kg. So this column is your weight, and then this column is your value. So from there we will create a 2D array. We start from the maximum from 0 kg to, and then increase by 1 kg until you get to the maximum maximum weight that you can hold. And then from here on out is the number of items that you can actually take. Okay, so for the first row, it will always be 0, because if you don't have any item that you can take, the maximum weight that you can hold, of course, it will be 0. And then for the maximum weight itself, if it's 0, then even if you have any item, you cannot take anything. So that is the initial condition. After that, you check for each item. So let's say when you can take only 1 item, so this is the 1 item. The weight is 2. So if your maximum weight is 1, you cannot take any item. So the weight, the maximum benefit that you can get is 0. And then you go from there you get the maximum weight that you can take is 2. So from that moment you can actually take that first item. So you put your benefit here, and then so on, because right now you only consider the first item, which is the 2 and the 2 kilogram item and the 3 benefit value item. So from there you just put all of it 3, because you only consider this one item, and then from there on you consider 2 items. From here it will still be the same, because 2 items, but the weight is 1 kilogram. So both items are 2 kilogram and 3 kilogram, which is higher than the first than 1 kg. And then here the value is still the same. It will be the 3, because you only take the number 1 item. But from here on, you can actually take the number 2 item, which has a weight of 3 kilogram and benefit of 4. So you put it 4 there. And then for the same one, for this one also, even if you take the second item, the 4 minus 3 will be equal to 1. So you can actually take the stop. Okay, now for the 4 kg, you can only take the second item as well, because 4 minus 3, the remaining kg is 1, but you cannot take the first item, which is 2 kg, so you still put 4 there. And for the last one is 5 kg, so after you minus 3 you have 2, so you can take both items, which is 2 and 3, so you get 7 the maximum benefit. So after that, you can consider 3 items. The same goes for here, it will still be 0, because the minimum weight that you can take is 2. So from there, this is still be 3, and then here the item will still be 4. The maximum value will still be 4, and then from here the value would be 5.
No,
yes,
4.
5, because this one is 4 kg.
Oh yeah, 4, yeah, 5.
So this one will be 5. And then for the 5 kg, you can actually consider, you still need to take 3 and 2, which is 7. Because if you take item number 3, then your maximum benefit will only be 5. But you actually, in actuality, you can take 3 and 2. Stop. Now, okay, for the fourth one, we will consider 4 items. So this value will still be the same. For this one also, because the maximum weight is 4. The maximum weight is 3, but the maximum is also will still be 4, which is like item number 2. And then for weight 4 kg, it will still be 5. And then weight 5. Item number 4 is 5, but your benefit is 6 kg. So 7 is still the more benefit if you take item number 3 and number 2. And then from there, we proceed how to actually find which is the combination that you use to get the maximum benefit. So from here, just like how my friend Rizal already explained. From here, you just go up until you see a different number. So you take that value, which is item number. Oh, we take here, right? Okay, you go up until you get a different number, and then from that part you take that number, which is item number 2, which has 3. So 5 minus 3, you have left with 2 kg. And then from there, 3, you go until the end, and then you go up. When it's different, you take that value, which is item number 1, which has a weight of 2. So you have a combination of 3 and 2 to get the maximum maximum weight, which is 5 kg. Right.
The conclusion is straight like now. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go.
Okay. Now we are going to show you the results of.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Just go.
Okay. I'm going to show you. Going to run you 3 types of values and show you the result of it, and compare the time taken to conduct that whole calculation. Okay, now we try 4 items, 5 maximum weight. The number is 2, 3, 4, 5 for the weight of each items. then 3, 4, 5, 6 for the value of each item. So you get here the combination is 2, 1, and you can notice here the time taken for that algorithm is 0.03 seconds. Okay, now let's try for the same values of each items 4, but the maximum weight is different. So just now was 5, now we try is 6. Then the weight of each items are the same, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then benefit is 3, 4, 5, 6. And you notice here the combination is also different. The combination is item 3 and 1. So when you go through this calculation, you find out as how we explained before, how it gets 3 and 1. And now you notice the time taken. Here is 0.039. When the maximum weight was 5, the time taken was 0.033, and now is 39. So as the weight was increased, the time also had increased. Let's try one more example. Okay, 4 items. Maximum weight is for 8, for 7 for example. Same item values, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and now you notice here the combination here is 3 and 2. So just go through as how we discussed this now. You'll get the combination 3, 2, and the time taken now here is 0.0041, and it has increased 2 seconds from the previous when it was weight of 6. So the conclusion from these 3 examples, we find out that as the maximum weight is increased and the number of weights of each items are the same, the time taken to conduct the whole calculation of the algorithm will increase as well.
Because of the array. Because you increase the array.
Because the main reason is because as the number of weight is increased, the number of array is also increased. So like from here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before this was 6, then 5. So as the arrays is increased, it requires more time to process the calculation. It's not recording, you have a recording, you know. So you should like that.
I do. Okay. Mr. Victor, at first lah. Apa?
Thank you.
No, how do you say? How do you start? Anyway, thank you for being one of a kind tutor. Then I hope that you can tutor me in your online business things in the coming future when I can get my 800 ringgit. And then?
Okay, sir, thank you so much. I really enjoyed all of your classes. From the explanation you asked us to do in front, it was really helpful. Because of that, I no need to read anything. I just have a broad idea of how the thing works. Just need to refresh a bit. And I really enjoyed your class a lot. So thank you, sir. I hope you will be a tutor for us in the next subject in coming future, I think.
That's one thing unique about your teaching. Because it's not that typical tutoring that we always do, we always try to do, but we actually managed to absorb everything that you learn.
Exactly.
Because of that unique way of your teaching method.
Like most of the tutors will be just like, okay, give us the tutorial and just do. Then we'll be there sitting, do nothing.
And it sounds to me that how effective it can be.
True. Being active and weird really helps.
Because it's in your heart lah.
True.
Okay. Right. Thank you, sir, again.
Okay, thank you, sir. And good marks. Give us good marks, sir. Awesome.
So, 1, 2, 3. Awesome!